9.3a, I'm looking at numbers 14 and 15. In this one, it says determine whether each statement is true or false. Prove your choice in the space provided. The first question, number 14, asks or states that the factors of 2x squared minus x minus 6 are x plus 3 and x minus 4. Now, I'm not going to worry about circling true or false just yet. I'm just going to go to the proof part now. Since they're saying factors, they're saying, well, you might want to factor this. So you can do like the diamond and box. You can do factoring by grouping after the diamond. Lots of ways you can do that, but because they gave us what they thought were the two factors, what I can do is just take those two, x plus 3, x minus 4. They're saying this is the result of these being multiplied together. The factors means they would multiply to give this. So if I set this up, if I start multiplying, I'm going to go x times x, foiling x times x is x squared. And right off the bat, I get the x squared, but notice it's 2x squared. Chances are I think this is going to be false. So I am going to multiply it out still. I'm going to do the rest of the multiplication. X times negative 4 for the outers minus 4x. Inners, 3 times x is positive 3x. Last, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. And there's no other squared term, which means this 1x squared won't change. And it's not going to be 2x squared. So that is false. Number 15, the only root of the parabola y equals x squared plus 12x plus, or minus 12x plus 36 is 6, 0. Now remember, the roots are the x-intercepts. Now the x-intercepts are when y equals 0. So for the proof, I'm going to start solving when y equals 0. I'm going to set up x squared minus 12x plus 36. Now to do that, I can, if I want to, complete the square. But I'm going to see if this factors first. I'm going to see if I can get this to happen. So if I do the diamond is 36 times 1 is positive 36, negative 12 goes on the bottom, negative 6 and negative 6 works, so negative 6 times, and then multiply, I get 36, add to give negative 12, that works. And since this is a 1 in front, the diamond is the only step I need to do to factor. So now what I can do is set up x and x, because x times x is x squared, minus 6, minus 6. Now again, the roots are when this equals 0, so I do have to solve for each of these values of x. So I'm going to set x minus 6, the first factor, equals 0. X, add the 6 to both sides, equals positive 6. So here they're saying the only root is 6, 0. Now this does give you a root of 6, 0. This is positive 6, so that root would be 6, 0. Now if I solve this and did the same thing, x minus 6 equals 0, it's going to give me the same point again. So when it says the only root of the parabola is 6, 0, is actually true because there is not a different factor. They're both the same root, they're both the same factor, so this is a true statement.